Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Love My Life. This is Kirty and today I am excited to show you one of the most beautiful railway stations in Varanasi, which is Kashi Railway Station. There are 4 platforms at Kashi Railway Station and the station is well connected with the city road. Basically, Kashi Railway Station serves the eastern suburbs of the Varanasi district and serves as the secondary railway station to Varanasi. The railway department recently redeveloped the station, coming up with modern amenities. The station was upgraded with beautiful walls, waiting rooms, and circulating areas. The walls of the station were coated with beautiful religious and cultural paintings which offer a unique glimpse into the religious and cultural practices of Varanasi. LED lights were also added to get over poor lighting and decorative lights were used to enhance the beautification at night. But the excitement doesn't stop here. Kashi Railway Station is surrounded by some popular locations that are definitely worth a visit. For instance, it is very near to the famous Namo Ghat, which was recently redeveloped and became one of the most popular ghats of Varanasi. Other must-visit locations is the Malviya Bridge and Lal Khan Tomb. So this is the small glimpse of Kashi Railway Station of Varanasi. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting Varanasi content.